Before we look into buying and trading on DeFi Chain, let's have a look at the fundamentals and how to get started. Everything on DeFi Chain happens in its own exchange, the so-called DEX, which stands for Decentralized Exchange. To get access to the DEX, you need to download the official DeFi Chain Lite wallet from the store. The DEX is a marketplace that allows its users to trade with each other indirectly by replacing the middleman, which is used on traditional centralized exchanges with a liquidity pool. A classic example is the DFI Bitcoin pool on DeFi Chain. If you want to buy BTC with your DFI, you put DFI into the pool and take Bitcoin out, and vice versa. Before you explore the whole potential of DeFi Chain's decentralized exchange, though, you need some DFI or other currencies in your DeFi Chain wallet. You can either buy DFI on traditional exchanges or use the DeFi Chain Bridge to use funds you already have on Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. First, let's have a look into the buying process on KuCoin. For this video, we look into the buying process on KuCoin. European residents can alternatively use a simpler on-ramp called DFX. Open the KuCoin app, click on Markets, and search for DFI. Select your trading pair. Click on Buy and choose your favorite order type. We're going to go with a limit order here. Enter the price you're willing to pay and how much DFI you want to buy. Confirm the transaction. Switch to Assets to view and withdraw your DFI to your decentralized DeFi Chain wallet. If you prefer buying DeFi with your bank account, check out DFX. DFX is the best choice for European residents to purchase any DeFi Chain assets. Just download the DFX app and set up your non-custodial wallet. Click on Buy, Sell, and Staking. Now, just set up a payment route. Click on Buy. Select DFI and insert your IBAN. After that, you can make a SEPA bank transfer by using the purpose of payment given in the app and receive your DFI in return. Once you have DFI or other cryptocurrencies in your DeFi Chain wallet, you can start exploring DeFi Chain's powerful decentralized exchange. You'll find many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Doge. DeFi Chain also offers decentralized assets, including stock tokens and commodities. Trading of all asset classes works the same way, so let's show you how to trade using the example of stock tokens. Open the DeFi Chain wallet, navigate to the decentralized exchange, and click on Swap. Select DFI and the stock token you want to swap to. We choose Tesla. Enter the amount of DFI you want to exchange and confirm the transaction. Enter your passcode. The transaction will now be included in the next block. A transaction only takes 30 seconds on average. Navigate to Balances to see your stocks. That's it. It works the same way for cryptocurrencies, ETF tokens, and precious metals. As a result, DeFi Chain simplifies rebalancing significantly. Normally, you'd need to sell your assets on a centralized exchange and, in a second step, transfer your fiat money to your broker before you can buy other assets. That takes days and costs a lot of fees. On DeFi Chain, that can all be done within seconds at very low transaction costs. You now own DeFi Chain tokens and know how to trade on the DEX. In the next video, we'll show you how to get started with staking and liquidity mining on DeFi Chain.